Hey there, Jira enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for mastering Jira in 2025. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change the reporter on an issue in Jira. This is a must-know for project managers, team leads, or anyone dealing with issue tracking, as it helps keep your records accurate and ensures the right person gets credit or follow-ups. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you need to change a reporter? Maybe there was a mix-up during issue creation, or you're reassigning ownership for better workflow. Whatever the reason, Jira makes this straightforward, but you do need the proper permissions, typically, admin or edit rights on the issue. Step 1. Log into your Jira account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct project. You can use the project dropdown if you have multiple ones. Step 2. Locate the issue you want to edit. Use the search bar at the top. Type in the issue key or a keyword, and click on it to open the details page. Step 3. Once the issue is open, look for the Edit button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it to enter edit mode. This will make all the fields editable. Step 4. Scroll down or search for the Reporter field. It's often under the People section. Click on the current reporter's name, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of users. Step 5. From the drop-down, select the new reporter. Jira might prompt you to confirm if this user has the necessary access, so double-check that. Step 6. After making your selection, review any other changes you might need, then hit the Save or Update button at the bottom. Voila! The reporter has been changed. One quick pro tip. Always verify the update by reopening the issue or checking notifications, as this could trigger emails or affect workflows. If you're new to Jira or running into permission issues, consider checking your account settings or consulting your admin. There you have it. That's how you change the reporter in Jira for 2025. It's a simple process that can save you headaches down the line. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.